Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, we are trying out some of the new styling products from the CECRED line. They recently dropped some new styling products and I was super duper intrigued to try some of them out. So I only got 2 of the styling products from the line, and those consist of the Volumizing Mousse, and of course I had to get the Stronghold Gel, and this is what that looks like. And let me just say that I do really like the packaging. It's really simplistic but sleek. So packaging, it always gets me. Like, I'm a sucker for good packaging. So I will not be trying both products in this video. I want to try them separately just to see how they work on my hair. So today in this video, we are going to be trying the Volumizing Mousse. Now, I've already done my wash day, and of course, it had to be a CECRED wash day. I started by detangling my hair with the detangling spray. And as you can see, like, I've used a good bit of this. And I will say, originally when I tried this detangling spray, and I didn't really care for it too much. I mean, it was good, but it wasn't like a favorite. But I feel like as I'm using it more, like, I'm understanding how the product works, and I feel like I needed more of the product on my hair in order for me to see how it really detangles my hair. So I'm really not mad at this detangling spray. It's actually pretty good. And then I went in with the detoxifying shampoo. And then next I went in with the hydration shampoo. And then I went in with the hydration conditioner. And to deep condition, I'm still in the mode of using up my stash. So I did go ahead and use up the rest of the Eucalyptus Mint Soothing Hair Mask by Mousse. I did finish that up. And this is still really a good hair mask. It is very, like, stimulating, and you can feel the coolness. So this will be added to my empties box. And let me just ask, are y'all still interested in seeing the empties that I've used? Because y'all, it's a ton, but I just don't know if, if people still really watch the empties video. So just comment down below and let me know if you want to see an empties video. I won't make it super long. I'll just basically go through and say, this is what I used, what I purchased again, and that's it. So just let me know. So like I said earlier, I wanted to try these products on their own. So I did not put like a leave-in or anything in my hair. It's just gonna be the mousse, y'all. And I did think about adding the sealing lotion to my hair and then add the mousse, but like I said, I want to see how the mousse does first. So my hair has been under this cap for a little while. I'm gonna say probably about 15 minutes or so. So let's just go ahead and get to styling before my hair dries out. But this is what my hair is looking like. No product after a fresh wash. And I recently did a trim on my hair also. So my curls look good, y'all. My curls look really good. So I am just going to start in the back and work my way up to the front. Clip this away. All right, so here is the Volumizing Mousse. And I will also say that I'm not afraid of the word volumizing because my hair is fine. So I feel like, a good little volume to my fine hair will be good, right? But we shall see. So I'm going to start with this back section here. And this is what the little nozzle looks like. So let's just put some in my hand. Oh, talk about pillow soft. And y'all, this is giving like shaving cream vibes. Ooh, it's nice and fluffy and marshmallowy. And as I'm looking at it, it's probably a little bit too much for that section. And this product smells really good, and it reminds me of the scent of the other products in this line. Very light and clean and fresh. So it smells really good. Now, we are going to have to put this on. This is how it looks. It's not really tacky, but it's not sticky, but mushy. That's the word I'm going to use. It's mushy. So let's go ahead and just apply it to this section really quick. And as I am adding it, like, it doesn't feel slippery, but it is going on pretty nicely. And as I am running my fingers through, like, it doesn't feel like I could use it to detangle. All right, so that's what that looks like compared to this side here. So yeah, this is with the mousse so far and without the mousse. So we're definitely gonna need some more. So let me just take the rest of this. Let's go ahead and apply more of it. And I feel like you might need that much. So that's doing a little bit better. All right, so let's go ahead and apply this amount to this section. And get that worked in really good. So it does feel nice. It feels smooth, just not slippery. All right, so let's apply the rest to this section and work that in. All right, y'all, so I am going to go ahead and apply the mousse to the rest of my hair, and once I'm done, I'll come back and show you guys what my wet results look like. This mousse is described as a high-impact, lightweight mousse that delivers 95% more voluminous hair after blow drying with bouncy big body volume, movement, and root lift, plus 24-hour frizz control. And it also says that it has 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius heat and humidity protection. This mousse is formulated with linden bud extract to support maximum volume. The mousse delivers movement and root lift with 24-hour frizz control and humidity resistance. The plush, lightweight formula has a non-sticky finish that leaves hair full and bouncy with soft, touchable hold that's never stiff or dry. It can be used with or without heat. This product is powered by a stem shield complex, which protects the hair's barrier function, your hair's natural armor, defending against 450 degrees Fahrenheit, heat styling, humidity, pollution, and styling-related damage. And it says that it's for all hair types. The directions say to shake well, hold can upside down while dispensing, apply evenly to damp hair from roots to ends, and blow dry or air dry. Tension tip: if blow drying, stretch the hair while using a comb brush attachment or a round brush. And an optional tip is if you're blow drying and curling, for maximum volume and lasting results, curl and clip hair in sections to set until hair is cooled. Some of the key benefits of this mousse, based on what the website says, it says that it's non-drying, non-flaking, and it has a non-sticky finish. It also says that it's safe for human hair wigs and weaves, and it's safe for chemically treated and heat-styled hair. All right, y'all, so these are what my wet results are looking like. I do have definition, I do have shine, but listen, we also got some shrinkage, which I'm not mad at. I'm probably gonna let my hair air dry for a little bit longer, and then I will probably sit up under my hooded dryer. This product does have heat protection up to 450 degrees, so that is kind of nice for them to already have the heat protection in the product. So you don't have to worry about spraying it on there before you go up under the dryer or hooded dryer, whatever type of dryer you're using. So once my hair has completely dried, I'll come back and show you guys what my dry results look like. All right, y'all, so my hair is completely dry and this is what we are looking like. My hair looks really good, y'all. I have a lot of shrinkage though, but my curls look really, really good. I am not mad at it, and my hair has a hold to it, like it has a little like crunch to it, and I am not even mad at it, y'all. But I do have my handy dandy satin scrunchies right here, and I am going to band my hair because I like to stretch my hair because of the shrinkage that I have, and I'm definitely doing it for this one because this is shrinkage overload. And as I am squeezing my hair and filling my hair, like it feels like the cast is going away. Now I do see some little floaties now. I do see some floaties. Now I will say I did use a lot of the mousse, and I think on the bottle the directions did say use like a pea-sized amount, but seriously, a pea-sized. But I am going to continue to stretch, and we'll see how it will go tomorrow. But my hair feels really good, y'all. It feels really, really soft. All right, so that's that side there. Let's go ahead and band this side. Yep, got some floaties. I'd say it's more like flakes. All right, so here we go, y'all. My hair feels super duper soft. My hair looks good. It has the shine to it, which I really, really do like. And yeah, I don't feel any more like hardness or crunchiness on my hair after breaking that cast. Hopefully once the cast is broken, like I won't get any more flakes, but we'll definitely see how tomorrow goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my bonnet, and then I will be back tomorrow so you guys can see what my day one results look like. All right, y'all, so it is the next morning. Let's go ahead and take this bonnet off and see what we're looking like. Alrighty, let's see. Ooh. Yeah. yeah, y'all. Snow City. It's a snowing. We definitely have Snow City, but I will say my hair looks really good and it is giving volume, especially on the first day. My hair feels good, it feels soft, but Snow City, y'all. So let's see what this side looks like. Probably still gonna get more of the same. Yes. More of the same, y'all. Whew. Need some goggles. All right, y'all, so this is what we are looking like. I really do like the way this wash and go looks. I definitely love the volume, and that is what type of mousse this claims to be, and it is definitely volumizing. So I did want to read the instructions on the back of the container, and it does say shake well, hold can upside down while dispensing, apply evenly to damp hair from root to tip, and blow dry afterwards. And it doesn't say anything about this being used for curly styles, so I don't know, y'all. I was super duper happy about the fact that they were coming out with styling products, but I feel like, you know, okay, let it be for this particular style as described on the bottle, but also used maybe if you want to enhance your curls or give your curls a hold as well. And I feel like that's definitely why my hair flaked like it did, because, you know, I'm used to using mousse to where I'm doing, you know, a couple of pumps for a section, which is basically what I did here. Now, maybe I didn't need to use as much as I did, but that is something that I will definitely try in the future, to maybe not use as much as I did. Other than that, I will say that this wash and go came out really, really good. I mean, I do have curl definition, and it is more volume, but I have like a lot of movement. And my hair looks really good, and I will say that the smell still lingers as well. So I am going to see about how many days I can get out of this wash and go. So I will be back tomorrow, y'all, so we can see what day 2 looks like. All right, y'all, so this is actually day 4. I did not get a chance to come back to you guys on the other days. I've been super busy this week, but I am here on day 4, and this is what we are looking like. Now, I will say that my hair, it does not look that bad at all. I still do have some definition, but I do have a good bit of frizz as well. The volume is still there, which I really do like. I will also say that I still had flakes as the days went on, but the flakes diminished. And even as I shake my hair a little bit now, like I can just see like a few floaties here and there. So I will say, y'all, like I really do like this mousse. Yes, I did have Flake City, Snow City on the first day, but the volume was there, the definition was there, and I will also say that the smell does linger, which I am not mad at because it smells really good. But I will say when I try this mousse again, I won't be as heavy-handed as I was on the first time or on the first day. But I really do like this mousse. I like the way my curls looked. So that is pretty much it for this video, y'all. Please make sure that you are subscribed because I will be trying out the Stronghold Gel next. And then I am going to try these 2 products together for a wash and go. So please make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss those videos. And also, y'all, comment down below and let me know if you've used these products before and what your thoughts were. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.